What is up, DTube, YouTube, Steam blockchain? So today I want to do a quick fun video here doing a size comparison with the Galaxy S10 and the Xiaomi Mi Max. The reason why is because, well, I did a size comparison, the Galaxy S10 versus, I'm going to show it to you, versus the Galaxy Mega 6.3, and this one actually had a little bit smaller display than the Galaxy S10 Plus over there, just because 6.3-inch display, and this was late 2013 it came, so it was a big boy, and it was kind of impressive for that time. Okay, but now we have another cool phone here. So I think this one came in 2016, Xiaomi Mi Max. Can you see what a whale phone this is? I mean, this looks like a whale. And the thing with this device is it has a 6.44-inch display. But if you look at this is very interesting. So it looks like the display is so much bigger. Whoa, it's so much bigger than the Galaxy S10 Plus. The Galaxy S10 Plus must have a super small display. But how big display does this phone have? Well, the Galaxy S10 Plus, it has a 6.4-inch display. Okay, I'm gonna say that again. 6.44-inch display, 6.4-inch display. Do you know what that means? That means that they are almost identical in size. This one is just a tiny bit bigger display. And you can see it if you look closely. You can see that, yeah, now you can see it. Now you can see it, because you can see that this one goes all the way up to the top. And so how did they do this magic? Well, you can see that the last 3 years in what phones have been doing is they have basically removed all the bezels. So for example, this one has you have the screen at the top, and then you have keys down here in the hardware design, while on the Galaxy S10 Plus is just built into the display, same as the fingerprint sensor below the display. In the Galaxy S10 Plus, it's also built in. Okay, so you don't have any fingerprint sensor that is built inside of the hardware. I think this one has it. Yes, this was usually the commonplace 2 years ago or 3 years ago, where all the phones had its fingerprint scanner, and now they're starting to move below the display. But isn't that amazing how you can slim down the phone that much? Because this phone is very hard to hold. It's very hard to use. So 3 years ago, it didn't really make sense to have a 6.4-inch display. I even remember with this one 6.3-inch display that this was super silly. Even the Galaxy Note 5.3-inch, the original Galaxy Note, it was such a wide phone that it felt like a joke to use. It was almost too big, and I almost felt embarrassed when I sat at McDonald's with it. But I was still pretty proud of it, because it was the first like or one of the first big phones with a pen, with a stylus. And yeah, we had some before that, Microsoft, but they were usually a bit smaller. But this one also very hard to navigate. Okay, but this one, just because it's not as wide, so it's super easy to hold. Like, sure, yeah, I can't reach fully up there at the top, but it doesn't really matter that much, because 6.4-inch is really fine when it's not super wide, because the width on the device, that's the biggest thing that makes that makes a big difference in how you experience a phone. And this is also one of the reasons why, for example, why Sony is starting to also look at this, how they can make the device not be so wide. So I might get some kind of Sony phone eventually again. So if we just stack these on top of each other, let's see here. You can see that Whoa, that is a huge difference. That's a huge difference, I would say. You can also see that this one has a headphone jack, and it also has the USB Type C. This one had the old Android charger. This one might actually have better sort of speakers going on there. You can also see a little bit of a waterfall design here on the side, same as the Huawei Mate 30 Pro also may get that on both sides. So yeah, quickly a size comparison here. Hopefully you did enjoy. I'm probably going to do more of these. And another thing here is probably in terms of thickness, they may actually be quite identical. But yeah, for sure the Galaxy S10 Plus looks just so much better. Kind of cool there with the glossy design on the back. Makes it really look like an energy machine and not just a simple smartphone. Yeah, quick video comparison here, size. Hopefully enjoyed. Have an awesome day, YouTube, and the Steam blockchain. Bye bye.